Okay guys, so basically like every possible thing that could go wrong when you bleach your hair at home has. I have a toner, so I'm going to try and fix it with that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're looking great, unlike me. Welcome to my bathroom, because today we are going to be doing a dye your own hair video. I am naturally blonde. I've been dyeing my hair ginger for about the last 6 months. I've done several different colours before, like pink and blue, and I feel like it's time to go back to my roots. Means as they is making an appearance. So I ordered some bleach online and it's arrived today. So I'm going to be following Brad Mondo's dye your hair at home advice, and we will see how it goes. I was actually inspired to do this by one of Brad Mondo's bleach fail videos, which is such an odd reaction to have. I watch people absolutely destroy their hair, so I've decided I'm gonna give that a go. So with that, let's dive right in. I'm so excited. I get so bored of my hair so quickly, so I hope this works out. If it doesn't, you may never see me again. Here we go. Okay, so I've got the Be Blonde bleach powder. So this is, basically the powder bleach that you mix in with this. I probably might have got away with 20 vol, but I'm going to be checking my hair regularly, so if it looks like it's lifted, I'll take it off. Don't worry, Brad, I got this, baby. Then toner wise, because I do want to go quite light, I got this Colour Freedom Blonde's non-permanent hair toner in white blonde. This is the kind of suggestion colours. So I'm hoping that we can get to like a here. Maybe, like, even if we got to there, I'd be happy, which is like the starting colour, I know. But one of these two would be great. So that's for afterwards. Because I'm an Insta whore, I also bought a little bowl to mix the bleach up in, so I want to look like a profesh. But they didn't have any brushes left in stock, so I am going to have to just apply it with my hands. With gloves on, I'm not a freak. So now that we have shown all of the stuff, and I will link it below for you guys in case you want to destroy your hair with me, which I don't recommend, by the way. I'm not promoting that behaviour. I see you, girl. Put the bleach down, is what I should be telling myself. Let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair. I haven't washed my hair in a couple of days, which is why it's a bit greasy, but apparently this will hopefully protect my scalp from the bleach. I've got quite a greasy scalp anyway, so I'm hoping this will work. My hair was quite bleached before. I've been trying to get it healthy again. It's very thin, which Brad says will lift faster, so I'm hoping this is gonna go well, guys. Like, how badly could it go? Really? It could go so badly. Okay, let's look at these instructions, bitch. So, I read the instructions earlier, I have done it. I've got to take 1 pack of bleach and 1 bottle, and this should apparently be enough for someone with my length of hair. If not, I did buy extra just in case. Then I need to put it into my little bowl, mix it up until it's into like a thick cream. And then, basically just go in on my hair. This doesn't seem so hard. Famous last words. Oh, shit. Okay. Blue powder, sorted. Oh, that nearly fell. Oh my god. Okay. Do I shake this beforehand, do you think? And it just said to put the one entire bottle. Oh god, this is harder than I thought. In with the powder. Oh, this is quite a lot, guys. I think we're going to be able to do our whole head. I don't think I'm going to have to crack into the other stuff, which is good. Oh my god. I know it's bad, but I kind of love the smell because it reminds me of being at the hairdressers. Girl, this is blue. Jeez Louise. So I'm obviously going to section this quite small, and I am going to be applying the bleach to the bottom 2/3 of my hair. Leave that all on for 15 minutes, and then I'll go back in to the sections and do the roots because they process faster than the ends. I feel like I'm Brad Mondo. Yes. Okay. I'm actually quite scared now. Oh, that stings my eyes, Jesus. Okay, and that is section DOS. Bit of bleach on my ear. Get that off. Shoot. On my arm. Dug into my tan. Fantastic. So I feel like I've left this like not gone far up enough. Oh well. Okay, so on the box, I'm going to stop crinkling. On the box, it said to leave the ends 15 minutes to process before starting on the roots. I feel like it's probably taken me that long to do the rest of my head, so I'm going to just go straight back in on this section now and start doing my roots while the others process, because I feel like it's going to take me, you know, that amount of time, so it's probably just wise to go in with it. So this is the look so far, guys. I hope it looks good in the back. I am going to get Ed to check, but again, I'm not sure how helpful he will be. Okay. These ends are lightening already. Oh, I'm actually really excited now. Go in on these roots, girl. Hiya. I'm just going back in and doing the roots, so because I can't see the back of my head. Is there anywhere that looks like not
do a bit more close to the centre.
Closer to the centre?
Yeah, like where your part is.
I know. There?
Yeah.
Love Ed's head just in the background, kind of staring at me. Wave. Wave for your fans. They all love you. They all want you to always apply my eyelashes. So shout out to whoever's gonna have to fix my hair. Yeah, I definitely haven't gone in enough on the roots on the back sections. I'm gonna have to motor back through that, I think, guys. Otherwise we're gonna have some weird looking spots, which is the last thing that I want. So the bleach is all on, guys. It is fully saturated and it's lightening quite well already, I think. So I'm just gonna put a little bag over my head to keep the moisture in. Yeah, I've ruined my top, but that's okay. Like, we came knowing this was gonna happen. My bra is safe, which is the important bit. So I've got just a little white bag because there was no like shower caps or developer caps available, so. What a look. So this is just to keep the moisture in. I'm gonna put a timer on for 15 minutes, then I'll come back and have a look.
You filming? Hi guys, so I just left it on for about 25 minutes to process. I'm just taking it out now, but it does actually look quite good, I think. Like, I don't want to speak too soon. Putting the bag on, it's actually made it really hot. Like, kind of worrying a little bit. So I think now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this all out because it's insane. It has lightened a lot, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it. We'll see what we're working with and then we'll tone it. So fingers crossed for me, guys. Okay guys, so basically, like, every possible thing that could go wrong when you bleach your hair at home has. I have a toner, so I'm gonna try and fix it with that. But yeah, so. How could this happen to me? I have hot roots, where my roots have gone super blonde, and the rest of my hair is fucking yellow. And there are also some dark patches all up in this mess. So I guess I hadn't left the ends to process for as long as they needed to before I did start bleaching my roots. I'm really happy with my roots. Like, I just wish that had been my whole head. I don't have enough bleach to try and go in again yet, so I am gonna just try and tone it, and hopefully that'll get rid of some of the yellow and it'll be presentable enough for me to keep filming and leaving the house for my weekly shop, which is the highlight of my week. So this is the toner that we've got, and I'm nowhere near as light as any of these starters on the end, so this might not even work. We gave it our best shot, guys. Let's see how the toner works. Be right back.
So this is the toner all over. I'm going to leave this on for a maximum of half an hour, but I am really scared that I'm going to get really white roots and this is all going to stay the same colour. So I could just be making it worse, in which case I'll just have to run and get a ginger box dye and just dye it back ginger. Sorry to all my hairdressers. I did my best. Sorry, Brad, you were right. You were right, Brad. Okay guys, so I toned and dried my hair. There are still a few little orangey bits, and oh my god, there's like a patch right there. Like, honestly, it's a look. I'm just happy that it feels like still really healthy rather than dead, but I'm gonna go and put some makeup on and style it, and then hopefully that'll make it look a little bit better. The things I do to entertain you lot, honestly. My life, what? So I've just curled my hair and put some makeup on to see if I like it better. It's a big change, it's a lot to get used to. It's not good. I went into this whole process with a kind of, oh, we're all in lockdown, at least no one's gonna have to see you kind of attitude. But now I'm also kind of realizing that that means there's nobody that can fix my hair, so I'm gonna have to look at myself like this for a while. Honestly debating whether to just go in with a fun colour like a pink or something to try and cover up all the mistakes, or whether I should just live with it a little and see how I feel. With the makeup and stuff, it doesn't look too bad and curled. I'm actually giving myself Sabrina vibes. I love Sabrina, I'm obsessed, and actually if I could get my hair to hers, I would be super happy. Maybe I'll do a Sabrina makeup tutorial now that I've got my Sabrina hair. What do you think of that idea, guys? So yeah, this is it. This is how my hair turned out. There is a little bit of orange that I just could not budge, and it happens to be right at the front. It could have been worse, like, and it still is really soft and is really healthy. So, like, it was a bad idea from the start, to be honest, wasn't it? We all knew as soon as I picked up the bleach it wasn't going to be amazing. So, like, I'm starting to feel it. If you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. If you guys have any idea of how I could make this hair work a bit better for me, please comment below. If you have any ideas of more videos you'd like to see from me, please leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next one. Love ya. I'm doing half a heart because I'm actually holding my camera this time, so love ya.